everyone. Thank you for those of you who have subscribed to my channel. And if this is your first time, welcome. And today I will be sharing with you a simple dessert that I always make for my family. It's really good. If you love chocolate, you like Oreo cookies, if you like whipped topping, all that good stuff, this is going to be the right recipe for you. And I hope you will make it for yourself, and I know you and your family will enjoy it very much. And this recipe only requires a couple of minutes to make. It's very simple and not many ingredients are involved in this recipe, and we'll get started. Okay, so the things that you will need in order to make these Oreo Parfait desserts are a sandwich bag, 1 package of chocolate pudding, 1 container of the whipped topping, Oreo cookies. You will also need a hand blender, a measuring cup, and basically that's it for this simple little recipe, and I will show you how to make it. Okay, I have one of these little glass containers. They're so pretty to put in your Oreo Parfait. So first of all, what I will do is I will stir my chocolate pudding that I already made earlier, and I will just scoop out some pudding and put it into my glass bowl. You don't have to put too much of it either. And then once you have the pudding there, then I will get my crushed Oreo cookies, and I would just spread it all around on top of the chocolate pudding. And now I will get my whipped topping, and I will scoop some of this whipped topping on top of my Oreo cookies, and then just spread it all around a little bit. And then the next thing is I will get some more pudding and put on top of the whipped topping. The best thing is just to lay it on top instead of spreading it around. That way it stays in place. And then I will get some more of these crushed Oreo cookies and put them on top of the chocolate pudding. And then we'll get another layer of the whipped topping, and we'll just put it on top of the Oreo cookies. Okay. Then we'll get another layer of the chocolate pudding and put it on top. And basically, the purpose of this is to have layers of every single ingredient. And then I will put some more crushed Oreo cookies on top. And to make it a little more colorful, what I like to do is I like to put an Oreo cookie right on top. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Well, these are so delicious. I recommend you try them. They're so simple. It only takes a couple of minutes to make. Kids will love this dessert, and I know you will too. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other comments or suggestions on other types of desserts that you would like me to make, please let me know in the comment section below. And please make sure to watch my other videos. I have also made a fruit parfait recipe, and that's another good one to try. So just like this one that I made today to show you, this is a good one as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for more videos like this.